How to contact Shein Customer Service. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're in the Me page, you're gonna find different sections. Under More Services, you're gonna find the option of Support. Click on that. Once you're in the support page, you're gonna find different topics. If you're facing issues related to these topics, you can just click on the topic and go through it. Likewise, to contact Shein Customer Service, you can click on the option of live chat or also you can click on the option of customer service. Clicking on the option of live chat, you can have live conversation with the Shein Customer Service. Likewise, click on the option of customer service. Now here you can briefly explain about an issue and send it. With that, Shein Customer Support team will get back to you. So that's why you can easily contact Shein Customer Service. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.